To review the MyMedic Hiker Medic Pack. The great thing about this Hiker Medic Pack is it's super lightweight at only 5.4 ounces, but it's going to hold basically anything and everything that you could possibly need for a first aid injury on a hike. It's going to be great for day hikes and backpacking trips. Basically, it's going to address anything that you're going to possibly need on the trail. And at only 5.4 ounces, you're really getting a great steal. The reason they're able to do that is this nice plastic thing. If you look at what's inside, we've got 2 sunscreen, 2 lip balm, 2 burn gels, 2 alcohol wipes, 4 fabric bandages, 2 fabric bandages that are 2x4, so on and so forth. So let's just take a look at how much stuff they pack into this. Whistle, paracord, sunscreen. It's done up a little bit differently than most of their other ones. Most of their other kits contain a lot of these, what the space blanket is in, that are kind of color coded, but for the hiking kit, they actually have things mostly unpacked separately, from Band-Aids to, these are electrolytes, to medicine, so you can see all the stuff that is in here. The one thing that's probably missing from this kit that needs to be in it is tweezers and scissors. You're going to want to add those to your hiking kit. So there's are going to be some modifications, but as you can see, for like a day hike especially, this is really no problem to bring something like this. You're definitely getting a lot of bang for your buck with this Hiker Medic kit, and it all comes in this little pouch that can fit right in your bag, the bottom of your bag, and you pull it out when you need it. So we definitely highly recommend this. This bag itself is pretty small. We can go ahead and measure it when it's fully loaded, but it's about 5 inches across. It's about 5 inches high, and then you're looking at it to be about 2 inches deep. So it's not going to take up too much space in your pack. But overall, we love it. It's been in my pack. I've used the Band-Aids a couple times on my kids' injuries, restocked the Band-Aids as need be, and basically just I feel like much more comfortable that if I ever get in a situation hiking where I need a whistle, paracord, a space blanket, I've got it all in my kit, in my backpack already. I don't have to worry about anything else. The great part about MyMedic kits are that they're refillable and customizable to your needs. So as you use stuff, you can go back online and reorder stuff, and you can basically build a custom kit to your needs. So whatever you're looking for, whatever injuries you might be concerned about, you can go ahead and add or subtract to this as needed. It's just much easier to do than any normal first aid kit on the market. And that goes for really any of their packs. So we highly recommend MyMedic kits.